If you've tried to start a Faceless YouTube channel and gave up halfway through, I already know why. You didn't quit because you're lazy. You quit because there are hundreds of AI tools out there and nobody tells you which ones you actually need. I spent the last year testing every tool in this space, wasting hours and credits on the wrong ones, so you don't have to. Today, I'm giving you the exact stack, 7 tools, one for every stage of production. That's all you need to go from zero to your first published video in 2026. Tool 1 is research. Before you write a single word, use ChatGPT or Perplexity AI to find profitable sub-niches, pull real search data, and build a full video outline in under 10 minutes instead of guessing what your audience actually wants to watch. Tool 2 is scripting. Take that outline back into ChatGPT, but don't just ask for a script. Feed it your hook formula. Pain point, promise, payoff. That one instruction is the difference between a script that sounds like an AI wrote it and one that actually holds attention. Tool 3 is voiceover. 11 Labs is still the best on the market for natural sounding AI narration. Their free plan gives you enough characters to voice your first few videos completely free. Only upgrade once you're posting consistently and actually need the extra minutes. Tool 4 is visuals. Midjourney or Recraft for image generation, pick one and stick with it. The biggest mistake new creators make here is switching styles every video. Lock in one consistent character design and colour palette from day one, so your channel is instantly recognisable by video 3. Quick pause. If this stack is already saving you time, hit like and subscribe. It helps more than you'd think, and I've got 3 more tools that finish the job. Tool 5 is animation. Take those static images into Kling AI or CapCut's built-in AI Story Maker and bring them to life with real camera movement, motion, and pacing. This is the step that turns a slideshow into something that actually feels like a video. Tool 6 is editing. CapCut AI handles your cuts, captions, transitions, and sound design, all in one app, and all from your phone if you need it to be. You genuinely do not need a desktop editing suite to compete in this space anymore. And here's the tool almost every beginner skips. Thumbnails. Use Canva or Leonardo AI to design one dominant image, bold text, and a colour scheme that matches your channel. Your script and visuals can be perfect, but if the thumbnail doesn't earn the click, none of it matters. That's the entire stack. 7 tools, one for every stage, 0 wasted credits guessing what to use next. Save this video, work through it one tool at a time, and you'll have a real published faceless video before the week is out. Next, I'll show you exactly how to use this whole stack together, start to finish,